Hello everyone and welcome to this new technology moment. Today we're gonna share with you the fantastic experience that we had testing this NVMe drive for you. The main purpose of our videos is for us to tell you what we've experienced so far, so if you're in the decision-making process of buying a high-performance NVMe, you make an informed choice. Okay, so first of all, it comes well packaged and primary packaging was protective enough for these sensitive devices. It just features the NVMe and the holding screw. As this device has been manufactured for high performance, you will very likely need a heatsink. This NVMe is a 4th generation 4-lane NVMe drive, hence the X4 right here, which translated to common words with its architecture and the leverage it gains from the M.2 ports means high performance. So even though highly compatible with most ports and cards available in the market for you to connect it basically to any computer, the ideal scenario is that you connect it to a high-performance PC. It is, by the way, compatible with PS5. In this opportunity, we're gonna connect it in this Aorus Ultra gaming board to see how it behaves. The only disadvantage here with this scenario is that we are not gonna be able to monitor real temperature of the drive due to the fact that this motherboard does not feature individual heat dissipation hardware and shares it with the motherboard's chipset. So let's go directly to the tests to see how it performs. Well, as you can see right here, incredible reading and writing speeds. And something interesting to note right here in this particular test, two aspects: the speed at single thread and the random read and writing speeds. Absolutely amazing. As you can see right here, it offers way higher than 5500 megabyte per second transfer rates. That's why it is compatible with PS5. So let's again translate it for those of you who don't care about numbers, but examples. This is a real live test out of the box when reading from a much slower NVMe. Let's transfer these two huge files, adding more than 63 gigabytes of data. This is not a time lapse. This is the real time it took to transfer such 63 gigabytes worth of data. Yes, 20 seconds. Of course, this is reading from a much less capable drive, as we said. Actually, if we had another one of these, we could have transferred those two same files in less than 10 seconds. In fact, I'm planning on getting another one of these. But that is something that most people will not encounter, like us who work with gigantic files. So let's write these 36,000 files ranging from a few kilobytes to several hundred megabytes. About 40 seconds it took to transfer such files. They add up to 13 gigabytes. You were seeing here the transfer in a short time lapse. If you're a gamer or you transfer huge multimedia files through fast networks, work with virtual machines, need to populate thumbnails of editing software with hundreds of source media files, this NVMe is a no-brainer. Very surprised with the performance of this drive, and the most important aspect to consider is that if you continue to watch this video published, our experience continues to be great. Thanks for watching and see you next time.